Hi, I'm Joe from J. Cares Recycling. We're formerly M. Dunn Recycling, located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. Our prices may change. Sometimes they could change week by week, sometimes day by day. So give us a call for the most accurate price. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. When coming in to sell your scrap metal, we do require ID, a non-driver's license, a driver's license, a military ID, a passport. All those are good for us. So come on in and don't forget your ID. Hi, I want to talk a little bit about what we do recycle here for our scrap metal. We do buy aluminum cans, but we don't buy the steel cans, nor the plastic bottles or the glass bottles. So only the metal is good to us, and the metal that don't stick to a magnet. So when you come in, just make sure you just have all aluminum cans and no plastic bottles, because we don't accept them that way. So keep the bags clean, just aluminum cans, and we're set. Right now they're 50 cents a pound. This is our blog for December 21st, 2021. Scrap metal, Philadelphia. Today we're going to talk a little bit about number 2 copper. The prices of copper have been going up, so that's a good thing. And we'll show you a little bit. We have a little bit of number 2 copper on our scale today. It's painted number 2. It's $3.40 a pound. And we have 6 pounds on there, so that's $20.40. And for our next item, we have more number 2 copper. The last copper was a painted copper and some solder on it. This is, none of it's soldered. I mean, none of it's painted, but it's all soldered, and it makes it all number 2 copper. We'll try to give you a better look in a second with that, with the camera, and you can see that this is still number 2 copper, even though it doesn't have paint on it. So, but we have 16 pounds here, and that would come out to be $54.40 for that little bit of number 2 copper. Our next item is an ash bucket or a coal bucket from, I think, from a stove. It's made out of copper, but it weighs 4 pounds, and the 4 pounds would come out to be $13.60. And our next item is number 2 copper also. It looks like a hairy stuff here. It's pulled out of an electric motor. This came out of one electric motor, probably about 1/4 of a horse. So you can see that. And it comes out to be about 1 pound, which would be $3.40. And for our next item, we have good thick copper, but it has like a tin or silver coating on it. And put that down. That weighs 24 pounds, and that's worth $81.60. That's a nice heavy piece there. Well, this will end our blog for today. We showed you 5 different kinds of number 2 copper. The copper we have from the electric motor, from the painted pipe, to the coated electrical wire, the heavy duty, and to some solder on some copper pipes, and even the ash basket. And the weight of that comes out to be about 55 pounds, which would come out to be $204.40. Well, that ends our blog for today. We just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from J. Cares Recycling. Me and my staff here want you to have the best holiday ever. Thanks a lot for everything. We're located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you real soon. Merry Christmas. You can reach us at www.mdunnrecycling.com.